to this. I'm not poor with this. I love this. Watch this. Guys, watch this. I'm really good at this. That's so finally say, duh. I did the combo. Oh no, shit. Yeah, this is way too easy. Give me a harder challenge. Give me a way harder challenge, guys. In the comments to do. I got to get to 25 million. I gotta do it. Well, I'm gonna get played down. Got no fear and I got no doubt. Sorry guys, I'm listening to music right now. Oh, God, I'm really about to win. If you guys be quiet, guys, let me tell in the comments I can do it. Look, now you guys can see your comments right now. Oh, good. That was a crazy combo. Try the combo. That was cheating. That was cheating. It took me away. Run again. I'm going for a third run.
Get away from me.
The last run I was doing really good. When it hacked me, done. Gotta go fast, Shadow. That was cool. Bro, stop making me suffer. This is hard. I'm halfway there. My eyes are completely focused. Definitely not focused on music. Just wasted all my stuff for this. That was unfair. Oh, so get out. Everything's gonna slow down. Got no fear and I got no doubt. There's no way out. It's crazy how long I've been trying this. Come on. This is a new record for me. This is where I lost last time, guys. There isn't luck. That was jump off the top. Okay, guys. Did I get at least not negative? You know what? I getting out of here. Do a run for this. Let's do one run again. For the last video. Can Amy be quiet ever? I have to be one more record. I just really stop for repeat videos. I don't really care anymore. I just want to beat this. So let's switch to Sonic. Let's go with my bro. I already recorded for 15 minutes. Oh, that's okay. I got a few more minutes to beat this my record. I'm getting really used to posting these videos. But I see how used that, yeah. Oh shit. Come on. My eyes like follow Sonic. It's really hard. How did I lose? That's it for this video, guys. Bye, guys. I love you guys so much. See you 11 game.